Hi all. Well, someone gave me this car remote. This is the housing of the remote in order to fix it, and the chip is broken out of the PCB. All the pads are torn out, and I know why this happened, because probably he tried to replace the battery from this side and not from this side, and the chip is higher than the battery, and if you push it toward the chip, of course it will ruin all the pads, as happens. So I will try to do my best to see if I can repair it. And also there is no marking where is pin number 1 of this chip, so I need to do some investigation in order to find out if the chip should be like this or it should be flip 90 degrees, 180 degrees. So it should be like this or should be like this, I don't know. So we'll try to find out and see if we can fix it. Okay, so this is how the PCB looks like. You can see that all the pads are torn and I need to repair them, but first I check that I can repair. So you can see here that this was for sure connected to this one. This is the other side of the resistor. This is a 10K resistor. Also here we have 10K resistor, and we can see two pads, one coming straight from here and one from here. And this pin go to this trace here. And also here there are two traces connected to this guy and one trace here. And this via is a little tricky. We will fix, and this is going to these two pins together. Now the second thing that I need to find out is about the chip itself. Where are the pins and what is pin number 1? Because I cannot... Okay, I can solve this. Okay, so you can see that the two pads are connected here together, and this is exactly the same way the two pads were torn from this way here. So this chip was for sure connected this way, because I can see the pad here that was torn away. So pin number 1 that is not marked should be here. So I will mark it now, so I will know where it should be. I put a tiny dot here. Okay, I did mark it. And now I can continue to the next step. So first thing will be to straight and fix the pads, and of course the second part is to put the chip on its place back again. So we will start for this pad here. We can grind it with a grinder, and then I will try to fix it. You see, it's very delicate, and I need to do it like this. Okay, this is okay. Now I will need also to grind all the other pins here, but the battery is a little annoying, so I will do it from this side. So this will be this pad, this will be this one, and this one we will fix it later. Now this pad is fixed, hopefully, and now I have here two parts near the resistor, trying not to hurt the resistor itself. And now I have one here and one here, last one. Okay, now we'll clean it a little and maybe try to straighten this one here. job is done. Assembled not very well, not very nice. It looked not very nice, but if you will see the LED when I'm pressing, haha, it is doing something, it is lighting. So before this fix it did not light, so maybe this is a fixed. Now I will put some hot glue maybe on the chip in order that it will not move again. And this is all. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you and bye.